Have you ever asked yourself why data is considered so valuable? Then this is the right video for you. It will give you a short insight into the potential of data. My name is Philipp Scharpf. I'm data, machine and deep learning scientist and engineer at Business Meets Technology. Data is becoming the main driver of the digital revolution and is considered to be the raw material for the future. It is expected that in 2025, humanity will have accumulated approximately 200 zettabytes of data. That's a 2 with 13 zeros. It roughly corresponds to the capacity of 14 million DVDs. If we were to line up them flatly, we could string them together in a row of about 100 times the distance from the Earth to the Moon and back. But not only computers record data. Machines, cars, houses, and more all continuously collect data which needs to be evaluated to be able to make predictions and to facilitate the daily life of people. The problem with this data is that it's about 90% partially structured or even unstructured, and therefore it is useless for machine learning. This is why companies need to focus on the collection of usable so-called semantic or structured labeled data. This will save them the cost of late manual labeling. In addition, an unnecessary memory load due to unusable or redundant data should be avoided. The keyword here is quality before quantity. An anomaly detection can filter useful information from the data stream in real time. Moreover, a foresighted planning of the selective data acquisition, the so-called data strategy, may be a successful retirement planning of a company. What can we now do with the data? Insights into developments and future forecasts can help with investment decisions. They can also be used to assess risks. Furthermore, competitive advantages through technological strategies can be developed. Key phrase: data is power. Last but not least, specific customer offers can be made and processes optimized. In summary, we want to move from big data to smart data. We would like to reduce the volume of data and at the same time increase its economic value. We also want to increase the speed of querying the data. This can be achieved, for example, by a so-called index. If you use a search engine, a list of pages for a search term was retrieved by a web crawler beforehand to quickly show the desired pages. This is to avoid having to actually search the entire internet when a user query is made, which would be impossible in terms of time. So far from this video, if you have any questions about this topic, feel free to contact us.